Nigikaro kirege kuharirio ni kamiti ya bunge gie hinya itanya-ini ni ariko mathanja igie thuguri ya maguta kuma bururi wa UAE. Minister wa hinya na maguta Davis Chirchir agitanywo kuheana njeno.
We do self introductions.
Thutha wa gikaro kwambiriria urugari wa kiriria, abunge makiaga kuiganira kuona Minister Chirchir ndanekinyia na maratathi ma kandarathi iria ekaniriirwo ni thirikari cia bururi wa Kenya na bururi wa UAE iria ibatie kuonania maundu matiganite megie thuguri ya maguta.
When a letter is written, first of all we ask verbally, it never came. Then a letter was written by the clerk and there is no response. Why should we even think about proceeding on a point where we are not working in tandem?
Such the laxity in providing that information then will only mean obstructing the work of the committee.
Muikariri wa kamiti no ria noe mubunge wa Mwala Vincent Musyoka acungiririo gwatha Chirchir na rugamiriria giahoge itiganite ministry-ini no maume gikaro-ini giki riu akiuga kwaga gwikinyia na maratathi maria magirire ta uria kamiti no irathite ni kunyarara ruhonge rwa bunge.
There is likely to be an attempt to assume the committee and that will obstruct our work.
But then there's need to respond on the G2G. We cannot move on without, while still in the darkness on the issue of the G2G.
Akigeria gwetetera Chirchir oneka guikia riko mabitha angi ministry-ini yake akigweta ati matiamukinyirie horo mukinyaniru akiriagirire ne gukorwo nakio mbere ya kamiti no undu ria riu abunge manyururirie make ministry no ginyagia muthi wa rucio gukorwo matete watho wa kamiti.
If there's been communication that has not been brought to my attention, why the response have not been made, and I want to confirm we will, as soon as practicable, including today, submit all the documents in respect to the G2G transaction.
Feeling that some of the issues, maybe the ministry is not taking them seriously or brushing them off, and this now will cause all of us some collective failure.
Ciuria nyingi iria ironeka kubatara anja ni cigemeni-ini uria ministry ya hinya na maguta yakinyanirie gucagura o kambuni ithatu iria cietikiritio kurehe maguta kuma bururi wa UAE. Kambuni ici ari hamwe na kambuni ya Gulf Energy, Galana Oil Kenya Limited na kambuni ya Oryx Energies. Riu kambuni ithatu iria itetikiritio itari-ini riri ikihanda cira igoti-ini ikiuga ni ciikirio nja wa thoko ino.
We all want success, but of course if we take shortcuts then a good initiative is going to collapse because maybe one of us along the way has failed maybe to do a bit of due diligence, and then if there is a failure, then it is going to be a collective failure.
Kurigana na ministry no kandarathi gatagati ga Kenya na UAE ni ekaniriirwo tariki 1 mweri-ini wa gatatu. Riu undu ukiarahura ciuria makiria kuona na gutuika thirikari ya Kenya rauga ngirimiti ino ni ya thirikari gwa thirikari. Kambuni iria irareha maguta kuma UAE ti cia thirikari ya bururi ucio indi ni cia andu kiumbe. Abunge makoneka kuga ngirimiti ino ikoretwo ikihithirirwo kuona ndirathairira Kenya amwe yao makiuga kwahoteka thogora uria ragurirwo maguta maya waya gukorwo ri iguru na makiria maita meri mauria maguta maya makoretwo makigurwo kiuria kinene kiri no ragunika. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV retwera kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.